Ituria keha rirokire gukunekeria muingi wa Dagoretti na bururi uri wothe thutha wa riboti ya kumomoka kwa irathi imwe thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Precious Talent Dagoretti guku kaunti ya Nairobi kuhithuka. Irathi cimomokire ndagika nini tu mbere ya thaa imwe kuri arutwo mugwanja makuire na wangi 68 magire na nguraro njoru kuria mahanyukirwo thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta kwamukirwo rigiti gukirikana arutwo kirathi gia gatandatu mugwanja na kanana nio mahutirio na njira nene ni mutino uyu.
Around saa moja ndo nikapata ripoti ya kwamba shule imeanguka chini. So wakati nilipata hiyo ripoti ndo nikatoka, ndo nikafika katika mahali pa matukio.
Venye ilianguka sasa mawaya ya stima ikakatika. Venye ilikatika sasa kukakuwa na hiyo moto ya stima. Sasa na watoto wakaanza kupiga nduru. Wenye walipiga nduru sasa tukafika immediately. Wengine walikuwa wanatokea huko juu, wenye walikuwa korofa ya juu, sasa wakaanza kuruka juu.
Jawa thukuru uyu no keha kigiriko na maithori ikuihuire kuo aciari magikinyia mari na mwihoko wa gukora ciana cio iri muoyo ona gutweka kuri ingi maundu mauma mugaru na matiuma na weki utiga kuoha thabari nginyagia thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta kana nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya Chiromo.
The whole structure is like it's not there, but the bits and the pieces of steel and concrete we are seeing, as Engineer Matalanga said, is not any engineering work at all. It's a quack thing, it's death. It was a death trap. The person who did this is actually criminally negligent. It's a criminal offense because we have needlessly lost several lives and others injured.
Kwa idarere Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha ni athanite thukuru uyu hingwo kwa idare ya thiku 4 niguo thuthuria bara nginya ukorwo gitafanio kuri ugite ni megukorwo makiambika mihango ya guthurima wagiriru wa thukuru ciothe guku bururi-ini.
We'll commit as government to construct a primary school in Gandu. We shall ensure that land is made available by whatever means possible, and by the grace of God, perhaps in the next 3 to 4 months we will have a primary school here.
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta no uri uricera mwena wa New York bururi-ini wa America ni mwe waria matumire ndumiriri cia macakaya kuri aria morirwo ni ciana cio mutino-ini uyu. Gerifotera Kameme TV retora kwa Nugari wa Kamau.